Hi Empire Cuties, let's do a natural sewing. It's been a minute since I actually uploaded a video. Okay, so first make sure you braid down the perimeter of what you don't want to sew down. And I'm showing you guys the length of her hair because it's pretty long. One thing that I did do is add some heat protectant and some hair serum to it. It's like a light oil so that it can actually sit in her hair almost like a marinade, because that's the difference between having like a natural flawless looking sewing. Like, you already have the oil in there, you already have the heat protectant in there. So I'm braiding it down. I'm doing a beehive, but not your traditional beehive that sticks out in the middle. So I'm braiding from side to side, side to side, until I actually create a circle. And I'm going to zoom in a second so you can actually see how long it is. I feel like I have to rush in this voiceover so that I can keep up with the screen, because nobody wants to watch a 30-minute video when I can make it as fast as possible. One thing that I also did not do is add any braiding hair, because her hair is long enough to where I didn't need any. I'm also double wefting the tracks. So basically, I'm making one track into two because she brought 4 bundles. And I know she wanted to be as flat as possible, so I actually didn't use all 4 bundles. I want to say that we did 3.5. And I'm using the hot comb as I go, because one thing about it, the hair comes wrapped in a circle, right? And it will look bulky if you don't press it down and actually get rid of that like crease that's in the hair. And as you can see right there, there's the double weft. It's so easy if you double weft it, because it'll look full without looking too full. Because sometimes you have to measure the hair based on how much hair they want left out. I'm also going back in, as you can see, adding the last track, adding more track to the back, because she wants to be able to put it in a high ponytail. I'm combing as I go, I'm styling as I go, because one thing about it is, if you flat iron as you go, when you're done, it won't be so much work that you have to do. And as you can see, her sewing looks so natural. Like, her natural hair and the sewing, or her natural hair and the extensions blend in flawlessly, because I let her hair sit with that oil. I won't even call it oil, it's literally like a heat protectant, but I use 2 different kinds. I forgot to take a picture of it because sometimes you don't be thinking about that. So here I am straightening it as I go. I know she's like, girl, hurry up, like I got things to do. And one thing about a natural sewing is most people do not want to know that it's weave. So as long as you understand what your client wishes are, you can definitely achieve it. There she go, feeling it, making sure it's not bulky. And I don't mind that my clients are like particular, because I rather you tell me what you want instead of me having to guess. And here we are, like inches. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you can see how natural this ponytail is. There it is. You got to leave enough out so that she can feel comfortable doing a high ponytail. And she has bundles, baby, bundles. You can't even tell where her natural hair ends and the weave begins. That tells you how great of a stylist I am. Period. I'm sorry I had to do that because that's what my younger sisters are saying. Okay, bye guys. Bye bye baby.